Aloha! Welcome to Hanauma Bay on Oahu, a beautiful and popular spot to hang out and snorkel. I'm here to take you on a quick tour, share its history, and dive into the water to show you the marine life. So let's get started. Hanauma Bay means curved bay in Hawaiian, and basically we're looking at the inside of a volcano that erupted and deteriorated over time. This became a prime spot for fishing for native Hawaiians and even royalty to visit. Fast forward to the 1960s, it was getting way too popular and overused and destroyed, so it became a protected marine life conservation area and education center. Personally, I think it's still getting a little destroyed from overuse, but it's a great spot, so I have mixed feelings there. As far as the layout, you've got the upper level with the snack bar and gift shop in the education area, and then the tram to the beach, and then the actual beach. On the beach, there are restrooms, lifeguards, places to rent gear, and picnic areas. So when picking a spot to snorkel, there are certain coral spots where you get trapped, so just look out and find the pockets. Currents will draw you out at 2 channels, so if you're a beginner, just stay away from those 2 areas. Don't step on the coral. I hate it when I see people do that. Don't ruin it for everyone else. And you'll also hurt yourself because it's sharp. Options for seeing things are limitless. People have spotted pretty much everything here, depending on how far out you go. Sources say there are over 450 species of fish. I actually have a chart at home that helps me identify certain types of fish, so be on the lookout in this video to see how many you can spot. I've been here a couple times, so the snorkeling I'm showing you is not just from today, but let's dive in. Well, that's Hanauma Bay. If you want to visit, make sure you get tickets online in advance. Mahalo for watching. And if you like this type of content, let me know by hitting that like button. To get notified of new videos, feel free to subscribe. More to come.